Hey, I'm right now in Pasit's place, and behind me they have a river. It's a small river. It's a creek, and they also have a spring well right underneath the clumps of bamboo. So it's a rich source of water here. It only needs a little tidying up because it's a garbage dump. So they just dump all their plastic waste there. They're planting something there. I think it's a squash or some kind of climbing vine. But it's nice. It's nice. It's a piece of paradise here. If only they know how to maintain this or clean it. And for our short Ilonggo video series, let's learn a few words. This is Suba, which is river, and Pasit is crossing the river. So across or to cross is TABOK in Ilonggo. So now they're crossing the river, Naga-tabok sa Suba. So that's Pasit and her son. Her son Bernard is assisting her to cross the river over the big rocks. So mga dalagpo nga ba to? That's her daughter-in-law and grandchildren. When the current of the river is strong, it's called sulog. So sulog, it just rained, pagulan na gulan. That's why it accumulated a huge amount of water, and now it's flooded. It will be my turn next to cross this river. It will be a challenge. I will definitely get wet. And I've already folded up my long pants so that I won't get wet. But surely I will. But that's an adventure. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! That is strong. Oops. That's quite a challenge. Oh my goodness, would I be able to cross this with my bag? Shoot. The challenge of crossing the river is if the rock is slimy. So that's a huge challenge. I've crossed this way before, and now we're going back and the water has grown. The water has swollen because of the rain. Okay, alalay, alalay. Alalay means to assist and to help. So alalay lang sa pagtabok sa Suba. Almost there, almost there. Dali na lang. Dali na lang. Dali na lang meaning a little bit faster or a little bit more or just a little bit, dali na lang, or sooner, or in no time she will be there. Oh my goodness. Unfortunately, I won't be able to capture myself on camera because I don't have a gear, and I have to have my hands free so that I could cross this raging river. So this is Pasit's life. Every day they pass by this river, and depending on the weather, so the river is also dangerous. Yay! Salamat kay nakatabok na. Salamat kay nakatabok na. Maharat na siya. Nakadungka na. She has crossed the other side of the river. And now it's my turn. Bernard is gonna get me. So that I can cross this river. Now I'm nervous. Diday, matabok na ko. Kamuya, sagad na kamo, no? Oh, they're used to that. It's nothing to them. Sagad na sila ya. Sagad meaning experts. Yay, I did it! I crossed the river. So there I was, and now I'm here. I've done it. So thank you. By the way, this part where there's no gushing of the river, that's called the linaw part, or the peaceful part of the river. Now we're done. Pasit has crossed the river, and so son, thank you to Bernard. Salamat gid kay nakaabot na kami. This is Mount Canlaon. Oh my goodness. So beautiful here. This is John of Art, and thank you for watching. See you in our next adventure. Bye for now.